Select Trucks of Amarillo, located at the Premier Truck Group dealership at exit 74, Amarillo, Texas, right off Interstate 40. This is a 2019 Western Star 200-inch wheelbase, 505 horsepower DD15, Eaton automated transmission, dual exhaust, dual air cleaner. Our stock number DKU9943, 125-gallon fuel tank, 10 aluminum wheels, 546,436 miles on it. It's been through our shop. It's been DOT'd, it's been serviced. We fixed everything we could find wrong with it. It does have a wet line kit. A few rock chips on the back. Not a new truck, but it's a good truck. We trade with these people a couple to 3 times a year. They're a local fleet. Got a few rock chips on it. Got a little kink in the bumper. It's not perfect, but it's ready for more highway. Premier Truck Group Amarillo, 806-654-7640. That's my cell phone number. I'll meet you down here at 3 o'clock in the morning to show you this truck or any of the many trucks in our inventory. Premier Truck Amarillo, exit 74. Thank you very much.